Sweden. I'm the Director Culinary of Art of DHMC and Dusit D2 the Fort Manila. So a fantastic project. So today I'm going to prepare you a very special recipe. We call it duck leg confit, adobo style. So basically it's an adobo, but I call it like haciendero à la française. Why? Because I'm using different ingredients. So here is our ingredient for today's recipe. So 2 pieces of duck leg confit, okay, that you can find that in a different supplier. Make sure you keep the fat right here because we will need it later. We need garlic, 40 grams of garlic. We need kikkoman, 40 ml of kikkoman. Very important to use kikkoman because the soy sauce is too salty. The kikkoman is perfect for this recipe. We'll need 40 ml of aged vinegar, coconut vinegar. This one is a special one coming from Bacolod. We need 80 ml of chicken stock or just water, and then we'll need almost the same of duck fat. If you keep the duck fat from where you buy it, or if not, you can use like pork fat, or if not, just cooking oil. We'll also as well need 2 duck liver slices, okay, and that's what make it haciendero à la française. And then here I have ratatouille, homemade ratatouille, but you can do anything. You can serve it with rice, even garlic rice. It's perfect for this dish. And then we'll have here rosemary and bay leaves. So that's what we need for ingredients. In terms of equipment, we'll need just a pan like that here, very shallow, not too high, with a cover, okay. So that will be to cook the sauce and the duck. I will need a small Teflon pan for the duck liver, and then a spatula. Of course, salt and pepper. So let's be ready and let's start to cook. So first of all, what we'll do, we'll get a little bit of kikkoman, maybe half a spoon, okay, and then we'll put it on top of the duck liver. And same with the vinegar. Voilà, half a spoon, and then we'll marinate this one later, okay? So then I just crush garlic, not chop, just crush like that, and I put my duck fat in the pan. Okay, so that's all my duck fat, my garlic, and then 2 bay leaves. The duck confit inside. The duck confit just came from the can, okay. So it's cooked already, but not hot enough. So what we'll do, we'll make it hot. When we'll start to hear that the fat is the right temperature, we will add our vinegar and our chicken stock. Okay, now you can hear, you see, the whole start to get hot. So what we'll do is like, we'll turn the legs, and then we will add our chicken stock, and then we'll add our vinegar. And we let it simmer with a cover on this one, more or less like 15 minutes. Okay, so we'll turn a little bit of our duck liver just to make sure that it marinated properly in the vinegar and the kikkoman. During our duck is cooking with the water, chicken stock, sorry, and then the vinegar and the garlic. Later we'll add this one, these 2 rosemary. This is for decoration, and this is our kikkoman. Okay, so that's perfect. Like I said, remember, now we'll add our rosemary and our soy sauce. Kikoman. We let it a little bit more longer to make sure that all the juice go inside the chicken stock. But I'm telling you, it's smelling very good already. Okay, so here you see, it's perfect. What we'll do, we'll remove the legs slowly. Put it right there on the pan, because this one will be going to the oven to make sure that the crispy skin of the legs will be. The sauce will continue to reduce, and this one will put it in the oven. Oven very hot, so the skin can be crispy the time that the sauce reduces. Now what we can do is, like, during the time that the sauce reduces, we can make it the ratatouille warm. And then we will do pan-fried duck liver. Okay, so this is our little Teflon pan, that's for the duck liver. So since it's marinated with soy sauce already, we'll not add some salt. We just add some pepper, and we'll add it on the sauce also as well. So your pan is very hot, no need to add some fat, and then just put it your duck liver just like that. Again, we'll add the pepper on this side. So we don't want to make it too fast, so just a little bit like that, slowly. This one we can add it on the other one. So this sauce is reduced slowly, the garlic is there, it's very smelly already, very nice. Duck liver is perfect here, cheese boiling, cooking very slowly. We'll make sure that the ratatouille is hot. So what we'll do now, we'll turn the duck liver. This perfect coloring. And we'll do the same coloring on the other side. Add in a little bit of sauce there. Yeah, that's perfect. We'll turn it off and we'll let it slowly cook like that. What we'll do now, we'll remove our duck. This is perfect. The skin is crispy, so we'll plate right there. The skin, the best. Very good. The liver. On top. Voilà. The fat of the duck liver, we'll add it in the sauce together. And then we'll finish it last little boiling, we can add our garnish. A nice quenelle of homemade ratatouille. Here the sauce is ready. So garlic is very important. We'll put the garlic everywhere. Just like that. So that it's very tasty, smelling so good. Then we'll have a little rosemary here, and then bay leaves, just for the color. And this is the best time of the recipe. You just put the sauce, the adobo sauce, everywhere. So like I said, I chose to put some ratatouille, but the best one is going to be with rice, and then or any garnish that you want. The sauce, it's important to keep it on the side, and then that's it. This is the splice. So enjoy your duck leg confit adobo style, hacienderos à la française. See you soon in Lucid D2, the Fort Manila or the HMC for any course. I'm sure this one will be part of our course class one of these days. Thank you very much. Stay tuned. See you soon and stay safe at home. Thank you.